What's up guys, Leo here again. This is going to be a silly video, but it's all in fun. I get a lot of questions from people asking about how they can make their clouds bigger and make their setups plume more or whatnot. But what I'm noticing is a lot of these people have setups that are producing vapor just fine. But when I see their exhale technique, it makes the vapor kind of look less than stellar. Now, as silly as it sounds, the exhale technique does matter and it does make a difference in how your cloud looks. Aside from the other variables like light source, which I hate that argument, by the way. People are always like, yeah, it's the light source above. Humans need a light source to see. Just a thought. Anyway, I'm going to go over the different types of exhale techniques, and I'm going to try to keep my drags the same amount of time to kind of make this a straight line test. Yeah, whatever. Pseudo-scientific. First one, I'm just going to blow out like you would regular cigarette smoke. As you can see, cloud looks kind of big, but it's very thin. It's not dense at all. So the second technique I'm going to use is just blowing it out slower. Now you see the cloud got a little thicker. You get that density with it. Now what I usually do, and I see a lot of other cloud chasers doing, is using this technique that mimics when it's cold outside. You know how you blow into your hands to warm it up, like make that sound. You're going to mix that up with kind of like you're blowing out cigarette smoke, so you get the density and the distance. And the fourth method is, I'm going to call it the rip trippers method. It's where you kind of move back as you blow out the cloud. Kind of giving it that trail. Looks pretty cool. And the fifth, are we on the fifth? Fifth method? I don't know, lost count. I'm just going to go, that's it. Sixth method, and this is one I see most people do, and it's kind of like they're bobbing their head up and down in different directions as they're blowing the cloud out. Which obviously is not going to make it look as, it'll be dense, but it won't look as big because they're kind of dissipating it in different areas. Oh, there you have it. Exhale technique does matter. And I'm going to end this video because I'm just rambling at this point. Experiment. Have fun with it.